Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on the Logitech wireless mouse. Okay, to change the battery you need to see on the button of your mouse and you will see the battery lock here. First of all, if your mouse in the on position, just turn it off and then press this one with a little bit of the pressure and take it out. Okay, you will see the battery, one battery inside and the USB connection here. So now just take it out. Okay, now just insert the new battery into it and then close the cover and turn it back to on, and you will see the green lights appear on your mouse. That means now your mouse and the battery is connect to each other. So that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change the battery and replace to the new one in your Logitech wireless mouse. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.